Hello, Barry Anderson here from Trade Ideas with the stock of the day, and I don't think there's any doubt that it is GLOP GLOP. One of those ones that are just moving without any news that we could find, but it doesn't really matter. I mean, it's just moving like you wouldn't believe. So look at this in the pre-market, not that much happening in the pre-market. I mean, it was a bit of a pop, $4, 420, but no clue that once this market opened that this was going to happen. Unbelievable move. Came into my option scanner also right here at 501. Okay, so maybe a little bit late, and that's because some of the filters weren't met. But even here at 501, right, well, up here at 501, so the filters weren't met until this point. I had a minimum number of contracts had to be that had to have happened today. I'm trying to think of what that was. Or the option volume today, I'm sorry, the combination of puts and calls. But at any rate, even if you had waited to 501, I mean, it got up to 6. But what a move. Many in the room were all over this one. Of course, Real and, I'm sorry, Zach. Yeah, we were talking about this one. The other one that was interesting to me was Didi. I actually took this one short in the pre-market. Again, a lot of these China stocks just beaten up, China regulations coming in. I actually took this one short in the pre-market and wrote it down as a really nice one. Didn't quite, got in, I think, just underneath. It was 1250. Took some out at 1220 and got all the way down to 1157 and covered most of the balance rate under here before it popped through 12. So I have to keep an eye on these China stocks going forward because, I mean, they're just being beaten up badly. You could probably pick any China stock and it was down today. But certainly GLOP was the trade of the day or the stock of the day just based on what it did. And interesting, I mean, it's not a super low float, 32 million in the float, not a super low float, but just went absolutely crazy. And again, you'll hear me say this all the time, on no news that we could find anyway. All right, want to get back into the room. So any questions you may have for me, you can use this email address. Now, the promo for 4th of July is still good. I'm 100%, well, 99.9% sure it will expire tonight, 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. So in the email you're getting, you will see the promo code. You can take 25% off the first month only or the entire year of a Trade Ideas subscription. So again, any questions for me, you can use this email address. I will open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern. Hope to see you then. Bye-bye.